In episode 1, we left off at the renaming of John's Incon to Translas Midden Nederland BV. Following his solid sales in welding electrodes, increase of welding wire surfaced. John saw great potential in expanding his product range. At the time, the welding wires were mainly produced in Italy, so John set out to establish himself as a Netherlands supplier. In the 1970s, Translas Midden Nederland became one of the largest welding wire and welding consumable suppliers. These were key items for Translas through the early 1980s. Tons of welding wire not only went to customers in the Benelux, but also directly to the United Kingdom. John's eldest son, Eric Jan Boer, joined the company in 1979. As a young boy, he was eager. It didn't take long for his understanding of margin sales and organization to be recognized. Eric calculated and examined the entire welding wire and consumable product groups and found them to be negligibly profitable for Translas. With time, Eric began phasing out wire, while simultaneously introducing new products to improve the company's margins.